Did you know that eating a plant-based diet has been shown to improve muscle strength and even increase testosterone levels in men over the age of 50? In today's video, we are going to share with you 5 amazing superfoods that will keep you fit, keep you strong, and keep you feeling great as you age. So if you're ready to fuel your body with the best, stick around and let's dive right in. Welcome back to our channel where we recommitted to empowering you to make informed decisions about your health and wellness. We understand that as you age, it can be a challenge to maintain your health and fitness levels. That's why we're here to provide you with the latest research-backed information on the best foods that can support your overall well-being. Today we're diving into a topic that's near and dear to our hearts, helping you stay fit and healthy after 50. As the years go by, our bodies go through some changes, from a slower metabolism to different nutrient needs. But don't worry, because we've got you covered. In this video, we'll explore 5 incredible power foods that can make a world of difference in your life. These aren't just any ordinary foods, they're packed with nutrients that can help you feel your best, keep your energy levels high, and support your overall health and fitness. And trust us, you won't want to miss this. But before we reveal the first food on our list, let's take a moment to welcome you to our channel. If you're new here, we'd love to have you join our community of like-minded individuals who are passionate about health and wellness. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our latest videos. And if you find our content valuable, we'd appreciate a thumbs up to keep us motivated. Now let's get back to those amazing power foods. The first on our list is salmon. Salmon is a true superstar when it comes to health benefits. It's loaded with protein, healthy fats, and essential nutrients. This fish is a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Omega-3 South can help reduce joint pain and stiffness, making it easier to stay active and mobile. Salmon also provides vitamin D, which is crucial for bone health and can help prevent osteoporosis. Additionally, salmon is rich in B vitamins, which can support brain health and cognitive function. Whether you're grilling, baking, or pan-searing salmon, it's a delicious and nutritious addition to your meals that can keep you feeling your best. Next on our list is Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a creamy and tangy delight that's not only delicious but also packed with health benefits. It's a fantastic source of protein, which is essential for maintaining muscle mass and strength as you age. Protein can help preserve lean muscle tissue and prevent muscle loss, allowing you to stay active and fit. Greek yogurt also contains calcium, which is vital for strong bones and teeth. It's a great alternative to traditional dairy yogurt and can be enjoyed plain or dressed up with fruits and nuts for added flavor and nutrition. At No. 3, we have walnuts. Walnuts are a powerhouse of nutrition and an excellent addition to our list of power foods. These little guys are loaded with healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants. The omega-3 fatty acids in walnuts can help support brain health and reduce inflammation in the body. They also contain vitamin E, which can help protect against cognitive decline and support overall brain function. Walnuts are also a good source of magnesium, which is important for maintaining muscle function and preventing cramps. Whether you enjoy them on top of your salads and smoothies or as a snack, walnuts are a delicious and nutritious choice that can help keep you feeling great. Brings us lentils. Lentils are a humble legume that packs a serious punch when it comes to health benefits. Lentils are a great source of plant-based protein, which is important for maintaining muscle mass and strength. The fiber in lentils can help support digestive health and keep you feeling full and satisfied. They also contain folate, which is important for brain health and can help reduce the risk of cognitive decline. Whether you're adding lentils to soups, salads, or using them as a side dish, they're a versatile and nutritious option that can keep you feeling your best. And last but certainly not least, we have avocados. Avocados are a creamy and nutrient-dense fruit that deserves a spot on our list of power foods. They're packed with healthy fats, fiber, and essential vitamins and minerals. The monounsaturated fats in avocados can help reduce bad cholesterol levels and support heart health. They also contain potassium, which is important for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. Avocados are also a good source of vitamin K, which can help strengthen bones and prevent osteoporosis. Whether you're making guacamole, adding avocado toast, or using avocado oil in your salads, these versatile fruits are a delicious and nutritious choice that can keep you feeling great. Now that we've explored each of these 5 power foods, it's time to highlight one key moment that might just surprise you. Did you know that consuming a plant-based diet has been shown to improve muscle strength and even increase testosterone levels in men over the age of 50? That's right. By incorporating more plant-based meals into your diet, you can potentially boost your muscle strength and improve your overall fitness levels. Isn't that exciting? As we wrap up our video, let us take a moment to recap the 5 incredible power foods that can make a significant difference in your health and fitness journey. Salmon, Greek yogurt, walnuts, lentils, and avocados. Each of these foods brings its own unique set of nutrients and benefits to the table. From the omega-3 fatty acids in salmon to the plant-based protein in lentils, these power foods are packed with everything you need to stay strong, healthy, and energized. Now, you're armed with the knowledge of these amazing power foods. It's time to put them into action. Start by incorporating one or two of these foods into your daily meals and notice how they make you feel. You may be surprised at the difference they can make in your energy levels, focus, and overall well-being. As you continue to explore these superfoods, you may even discover new recipes and cooking techniques that you and your taste buds will love. Remember, small changes can make a big difference, so start today and nourish your body with the power of these incredible foods. Before we say goodbye, we'd love to hear from you. Which of these power foods is your favorite? Have you tried incorporating them into your diet? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative and inspiring content on healthy aging and wellness. Thanks for joining us on this journey to better health and well-being. Stay healthy, stay happy, and keep shining bright. Did you know that most people over the age of 50 will experience some form of malnutrition? It is estimated that only about 1 in 4 adults aged 50 and older meet the recommended intake for fruits and vegetables. But the good news is that it's never too late to make changes to your diet. And by making smart choices about what you eat, you can improve your overall health and well-being at any age. So today, we are going to talk about the top 5 power foods that can help you stay fit, healthy, and active as you age. Make sure to watch until the end because one of them might surprise you. Let's get started. Welcome back, everyone. I'm here. Today, we're diving into a topic that's close to my heart, helping you stay fit, healthy, and active as you age. We all know that aging is inevitable, but that doesn't mean we have to feel like we're getting older. Our 50s and beyond can be some of our healthiest and most active years. But to make that happen, we need to start making some changes today. So let's get into it. The first thing we need to understand is that our bodies change as we age. Our metabolism slows down. We lose muscle mass and our bones become more fragile. Plus, we may not be as physically active as we once were. But that doesn't mean we can't take control of our health and well-being. By making a few simple changes to our diet, we can ensure that we're giving our bodies the nutrients they need to stay strong and healthy. And that's where our first power food comes in. Our #1 power food is salmon. Salmon is a superstar when it comes to keeping our hearts healthy. It's loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which can help reduce inflammation and lower blood pressure. According to a study published in the Journal of the American Heart Association, eating just 1 serving of fish high in omega-3 fatty acids, like salmon, can reduce the risk of heart disease by 9 to 21%. Not bad, but that's not all. Salmon is also a great source of protein and B vitamins, which are essential for maintaining healthy skin and hair. Plus, it's rich in vitamin D, which can help boost our immune system and keep us feeling our best. Next up on our list is a true antioxidant powerhouse, blueberries. Blueberries are tiny but mighty, packed with antioxidants that can help protect our cells from damage and reduce inflammation. A study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry found that blueberries have one of the highest antioxidant capacities of any fruit out there. But that's not all. Blueberries are also a great source of fiber, which can help improve digestion and keep us feeling full longer. They're also loaded with vitamin C, which can help boost our immune system and keep us from getting sick. And don't forget about those antioxidants. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that eating a diet rich in blueberries can help improve memory and cognitive function in older adults. So next time you're in the market for some fresh berries, reach for the blueberries. Your body will thank you. All right. Now let's talk about a food that's not just good for our bodies, but also for our brains. That's right, it's spinach. Spinach is a true nutritional powerhouse, packed with vitamins A, C, K, and folate. These nutrients play an important role in maintaining healthy vision, strong bones, and a healthy immune system. But that's not all. Spinach is also a great source of magnesium, which can help reduce stress and improve sleep quality. Plus, it's high in lutein, a powerful antioxidant that can help protect against age-related cognitive decline. In fact, a study published in the Journal of Alzheimer's Disease found that eating a diet rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 powerful antioxidants found in spinach, can help reduce the risk of developing Alzheimer's disease. So if you're looking for a way to boost your brain health, look no further than spinach. And now let's talk about a food that's not only delicious, but also a true gut health hero, Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a thick and creamy dairy delight that's high in protein and calcium. This makes it an excellent choice for anyone looking to maintain strong bones and prevent osteoporosis as they age. But that's not all. Greek yogurt is also a great source of probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that can help improve digestion and support a healthy gut. In fact, a study published in the British Journal of Nutrition found that eating a diet high in probiotic-rich foods, like Greek yogurt, can help improve bone health in postmenopausal women. And if that's not enough to get you excited about Greek yogurt, we don't know what is. So next time you're in the mood for something sweet, skip the sugary snacks and reach for a tub of Greek yogurt instead. Your gut will thank you. And last but certainly not least, let's talk about a food that's been gaining a lot of attention lately. Extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is a type of oil extracted from olives that's rich in healthy fats and antioxidants. This makes it an excellent choice for anyone looking to reduce inflammation and improve heart health. In fact, a study published in the Journal of the American Heart Association found that eating a diet rich in extra virgin olive oil can help reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke by up to 42%. That's a pretty big benefit, but that's not all. Extra virgin olive oil is also a great source of oleocanthal, a natural compound that has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. In fact, a study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry found that oleic canthal found in extra virgin olive oil has anti-cancer properties. So if you're looking for a way to add some healthy fats and powerful antioxidants to your diet, look no further than extra virgin olive oil. I bet you didn't expect the last one to be so impactful, but it's true. Extra virgin olive oil is a true gem when it comes to its anti-cancer properties. Who knew that a simple addition to your salad dressing could do so much? Now, you might be wondering what exactly makes extra virgin olive oil so special. Well, it all comes down to the production process. Unlike other types of olive oil, extra virgin olive oil is made using only 2 ingredients: olives and sometimes a little salt. It's pressed, not extracted, which helps preserve its nutritional integrity. And because it's unrefined, it retains all of its natural antioxidants and healthy fats. So not only is extra virgin olive oil good for your heart, but it may also help protect against cancer. It's a true super. So there you have it, folks. The 5 power foods that can help you stay fit, healthy, and active as you age. Remember, it's never too late to make changes to your diet and improve your overall health and well-being. By incorporating these 5 power foods into your daily meals, you'll be well on your way to a healthier, happier you. So why wait? Start today and see the difference it can make. But before you go, we want to hear from you. Which one of these power foods is your favorite? Have you tried incorporating it into your diet? What kind of results have you seen? Don't forget to drop a comment below and let us know. And while you're at it, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and advice on healthy aging. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.